Hi all, in this video I'll be speaking to you about the insecurities in a relationship. Why do we feel insecure about your present relationship? Yes. Feeling insecure about your present relationship is fine. Here and there you feel, once in a while you feel, that's totally fine. No need to panic about it. But there are few who who are struggling with the insecurities where it's troubling their day-to-day life, and they're not able to concentrate towards their work, and they're not giving enough time and enough space to the relationship, and they're not finally giving a positive feel about the relationship. If that's happening more and more, then you have to think about why it is happening to me and how to work on it. What should I do for this insecurity feel? I'll give you the reasons. You just reflect what's happening. Is this the reason why you're feeling insecure? Because there are many reasons why you feel insecure about the relationship. Point number one, why you feel insecure, why you feel that you've been ignored, why you feel that you've not been loved anymore, why you feel that your present relationship may end soon. The reason number one is you feel that you are not loved anymore because you are comparing your relationship to someone else's relationship. Maybe you're comparing your relationship to your neighbor's relationship and say that they are loving each other so well, they are such compatible partners, and why it's not with me. So comparing is a big issue. When you compare your relationship to someone else's relationship, then you feel insecure about yours because you have a negative thought about yourself. Point number two, maybe you had a bad childhood. Maybe your parents did not give you enough time and enough love to you. That's the reason you are feeling insecure about your present relationship. Because you may feel that present you may not be loved as the same how your parents did not love you. Next reason is maybe some person in your past betrayed you. Maybe your friend, maybe your best friend, maybe anything, I mean here, betrayed you and you broke his or her trust, or he or she broke your trust, and it came to an end. So you have trust issues with the person. That's the reason you have that doubt about your present relationship, and you may think it may end soon. These are the few basic reasons why you feel insecure. The main reason is, the final reason, what I can say is, why you feel insecure about yourself or about your relationship, because you're not giving importance for yourself. You're not feeling good about yourself. You feel that you're not worth it. You feel that you are comparing, and you are saying that you're not worth enough. You say that I don't love anymore myself. You are not comfortable within yourself. That is the reason you feel insecure. And when this happens, what happens in the relationship? Obviously fight happens. You doubt on your partner, and you spy, you check the person's phone, and when you do it, if your your partner is really genuine with you, they become really annoyed, and they fight with you. So keep in mind, checking, spying, and keeping that doubt more and more gives more and more harm to the relationship. It won't stand for a long time, because how much you control a relationship, how much you feel for it that it won't work, and he or she may leave me as soon as possible. That happens to you. I have talked before about this affirmations, I mean to say. I have talked about the affirmations. The more you feel negative affirmations, that is what happens to you. So I have given you enough reasons why you feel insecure, and my next video I will be telling how to overcome insecurities in a relationship and how to have a fantastic relationship with your partner. I hope this video helped you, because you have to reflect. Is this the reason? Because if you feel that whatever reasons I gave, this is not the reason, and you're feeling insecure, you have to meet me personally and talk about it, or you can message me, you can ask me, because one-to-one talk is important. Then only it helps. Or else you can meet a professional outside, because I am also a psychologist, and I help people around, or children, whoever needs help, because we all need to help each other. That's the main concern I wanted to do this video. I hope you got some message in this video, and I hope you got a reason for why you feel insecure. And please comment, like and share. I expect you to share. That's the way you say me thank you for this video. Thanks for watching my video. If any questions you have, you can ask me. Again, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please follow so that I can help you all more and more.